Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to download all the photos from Google Photos so you can easily save your entire photo collection to your device. Now let's get started. Step 1. Go to photos.google.com using any web browser on your computer. This is the official website for Google Photos, where all your backed up images and videos are stored in your Google account. Step 2. Select the first photo in your library by clicking on it once. This starts the selection process and tells Google Photos which images you want to download. Step 3. Scroll down to the last photo in your library, then hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click the last photo. This action automatically selects all the photos between the first and the last image. Step 4. Click the three dots in the top right corner to open the options menu, then select Download, or simply press Shift plus D on your keyboard. Google Photos will begin preparing a download file that contains all the selected images. After a moment, the photos will download to your computer, usually as a compressed zip file. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the Touch to Click channel.